Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting topic that can truly transform your YouTube journey. 7 YouTube Short strategies to explode your channel. If you've been looking for ways to boost your visibility and engagement, you're in the right place. YouTube Shorts is a powerful tool that can help you reach a wider audience and attract new subscribers, and we're here to share some effective strategies that can make a real difference. Throughout this video, we'll explore 7 actionable tips that will not only enhance your shorts, but also align with the latest trends on the platform. From optimizing your content for maximum reach to leveraging trending sounds and challenges, we'll cover it all. Our goal is to equip you with the knowledge you need to create captivating shorts that resonate with viewers. So, whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, get ready to discover innovative ways to grow your channel. By the end of this video, you'll have a toolkit of strategies that can help you stand out in the crowded YouTube landscape. Let's jump right in and unlock the potential of YouTube Shorts together. To truly explode your YouTube channel, it's essential to understand your audience. Identifying and analyzing your target viewers is the first step in tailoring your content effectively. Start by researching the demographics of your potential audience. Consider factors such as age, gender, location, and interests. This foundational knowledge will help you create content that speaks directly to them. Next, dive into YouTube Analytics. This powerful tool provides valuable insights into viewer behavior, including watch time, traffic sources, and audience retention. By examining these metrics, you can identify which types of content resonate most with your viewers. Are they more engaged with tutorials, entertainment, or informative videos? Understanding these patterns will guide your content creation process. Once you have a clear picture of who your audience is and what they enjoy, it's time to create content that aligns with their preferences and needs. Think about the challenges they face or the topics they're passionate about. By addressing these areas, you'll not only capture their attention, but also foster a loyal community around your channel. Remember, the more you cater to your audience, the more likely they are to engage, share, and subscribe. So let's get started on this journey of connecting with your viewers. When it comes to YouTube Shorts, the first impression is everything, and that's where eye-catching thumbnails come into play. Designing compelling thumbnails is crucial for grabbing attention and encouraging clicks. Start by using bold colors that pop and clear, legible text that conveys the essence of your content. A vibrant thumbnail can make your video stand out in a sea of options, enticing viewers to click and watch. Incorporating relevant images is another key element. Choose visuals that accurately reflect the content of your shorts. Whether it's a snapshot of a key moment or an engaging graphic, the image should give viewers a glimpse of what to expect. This not only helps in setting the right expectations, but also builds trust with your audience. Don't forget the importance of testing different designs. Experiment with various styles, colors, and layouts to see which thumbnails yield higher engagement rates. YouTube Analytics can help you track the performance of your thumbnails, allowing you to refine your approach over time. By continuously optimizing your designs based on viewer response, you'll be able to create thumbnails that not only attract clicks, but also enhance your overall channel growth. So let's get creative and make those thumbnails work for you. One of the most effective ways to increase visibility for your YouTube Shorts is to leverage trends and challenges. Staying updated on current trends within the YouTube community is essential. Regularly browse the platform, follow popular creators, and keep an eye on social media to identify what's capturing attention. By being in the know, you can create content that resonates with viewers and taps into the collective excitement around trending topics. Creating shorts that align with popular challenges is a fantastic way to attract viewers. Whether it's a dance challenge, a cooking trend, or a viral meme, participating in these challenges can significantly boost your reach. Not only do you get to showcase your creativity, but you also connect with a larger audience that is actively searching for that content. Additionally, engaging with trending hashtags can enhance your discoverability. When you use relevant hashtags in your video descriptions, you increase the chances of your shorts appearing in search results and recommended feeds. This simple yet effective strategy can lead to more views and subscribers. Remember, the key is to put your unique spin on these trends while staying true to your brand. So, dive into the world of trends and challenges and watch your channel's visibility soar. When it comes to YouTube Shorts, optimizing video length is crucial for maintaining viewer interest. Aim for a duration of 15 to 60 seconds, as this range is ideal for maximizing retention. In a fast-paced digital world, viewers appreciate content that gets straight to the point. By keeping your shorts concise, you can deliver your message effectively without losing your audience's attention. Focus on delivering value quickly. Whether you're sharing a tip, showcasing a talent, or telling a story, make sure every second counts. Start with a hook that grabs attention right away, and then dive into the core content. This approach not only keeps viewers engaged, but also encourages them to watch until the end, increasing your overall engagement metrics. Don't hesitate to experiment with different lengths to find what resonates best with your audience. Some viewers may prefer quick bursts of information, while others might enjoy slightly longer content that provides more depth. By analyzing viewer feedback and performance data, you can fine-tune your shorts to match your audience's preferences. Remember, the goal is to create content that captivates and retains viewers, so keep testing and optimizing until you find the perfect balance. With the right video length, you'll be well on your way to growing your channel. Incorporate strong calls to action. To truly maximize the impact of your YouTube Shorts, it's essential to incorporate calls to action, CTAs, that encourage viewers to engage with your content. At the end of your shorts, prompt viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. A simple yet effective reminder can significantly boost your engagement rates. For instance, you might say, "If you enjoyed this tip, give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comments." Using engaging language is key to motivating viewers to take action. Instead of generic phrases, try to create a sense of urgency or excitement. Phrases like, "Join our community for more amazing content," or "Don't miss out on our next video, hit that subscribe button," can make a difference in how viewers respond. Additionally, ensure that your CTAs align with the content of your shorts. If your video is about a specific topic, tailor your call to action accordingly. For example, if you're sharing a recipe, encourage viewers to comment with their favorite variations or to share their results. This not only fosters interaction but also builds a sense of community around your channel. By strategically incorporating strong CTAs, you'll create a more engaging experience for your viewers and encourage them to become active participants in your content journey. As we wrap up this video, let's recap the key strategies we discussed for using YouTube Shorts to grow your channel. First, understanding your audience is crucial. Knowing their demographics and interests allows you to create content that resonates. Next, we talked about the importance of eye-catching thumbnails, which can significantly increase your click-through rates. Leveraging trends and challenges helps you tap into current conversations, while optimizing video length ensures you keep viewers engaged. Incorporating strong calls to action encourages interaction and builds a community around your content. Implementing these strategies effectively is vital for your success on the platform. Each element plays a role in enhancing your visibility and engagement, so don't overlook any aspect. Remember, consistency is key, and the more you refine your approach, the better your results will be. If you found this video helpful, we'd love for you to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Don't forget to like this video and share it with fellow creators who might benefit from these tips. Your support helps us continue to provide insights and strategies that can elevate your YouTube journey. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.